We now get to the open source software tool Joomla. If you visit the website for Joomla at www.joomla.org, you can read that Joomla is the world's most popular open source CMS, which stands for Content Management System. With 2.7% of the web running on Joomla, the software is used by individuals, small and medium-sized businesses, and large organizations worldwide to easily create and build a variety of websites and web-enabled applications. The advantage of using Joomla for us here is that it also comes with a wide variety of plugins and components and modules to extend the functionality of this already very powerful software tool. Namely, these two components that are Joomla components that get added to your basic Joomla install. Joomla Social, which will help you build an online community. Joomla Social is a Joomla-based platform for building social networks and community websites with collaboration tools, Facebook-like features, and much, much more. If you want to build an online community, find like-minded people, promote your brand, or develop a following, then Joomla Social plus Joomla is the tool for you. Another tool that integrates with Joomla is called Community Builder, published by this company, Joomopolis. This is a social community solution for Joomla. I've used both of these tools. They're both excellent. So you can build a social community with your Joomla site using Community Builder. This publisher even provides add-ons to the Community Builder add-on itself, such as CB Subs, which allows you to add subscription features to your community sites running Community Builder. But if we click on the Community Builder link here, we can read more about this tool. First off, you'll notice that it's free, which is the right price. The other solution is not free. The way that they make their money here, Joomopolis, is they charge you for the documentation. But with this tool, you can build Joomla communities. It has a very simple member registration. You can let your members connect. You can personalize profiles and member lists. It's scalable, reliable, and robust. And probably the best thing is hundreds of plugins are actually available for this plugin. It's free and open source. Here is an example Joomla website running this Community Builder component that will add features to your Joomla website that lets you really convert it into a custom social network. I have member photos that I can scroll through in a slideshow. I have all my members to the right, my new members, my top members, members currently online, random members. If we click on a random member, we have a profile. This is a custom profile with member photos, information about the member. I can do a member icon as well as a home photo, information, listing details, and so on. Notice I also have a groups feature where members can form groups. They can join groups, existing groups. They can add photos to those groups. I have a mapping feature that shows me the location of my members. I have 3 members in California, Nevada. I can actually look at their profiles from this map view. This is another add-on, actually an API from Google that integrates with both Joomla and Community Builder. Now, the advantage of using Joomla with Community Builder to build out your custom social network over some of the other tools that I've presented, this tool is free in contrast to Ning, which will cost you a monthly fee, although you'll need to self-host this solution here, Joomla and Community Builder, but you can usually find a host relatively inexpensively, maybe $5 a month to $10, $15 a month. It's also very robust, very powerful. In addition, there are a lot of extensions that are available in Community Builder. Probably that's its best feature, is that really anything that you want to add to your Joomla Community Builder site, you can probably find an extension to Community Builder that will do this. For example, if you Google Community Builder plugins, you'll see a wealth of add-ons to this tool, starting from the Joomla extensions directory. Notice that here in the extensions directory for Joomla, there's a special category just for Community Builder. So if we look at some of the samples here, Community Builder Ads, Community Builder Communication, Community Builder Activities, Builder Management, Profiles, Stores, Multimedia, Maps, Authors, Search. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. One downside to Community Builder is, although it is free, much like BuddyPress, they will charge you for the documentation, and because it's so much more complicated and powerful than BuddyPress, you'll probably want to purchase the documentation. One additional downside to using Community Builder is that custom social networks built with this tool sometimes don't look quite as nice as other websites, other Joomla websites in particular, but even websites built using Ning or BuddyPress, using WordPress. So if the appearance of your community is especially important to you, then I recommend using another custom social building tool that works with Joomla. That's this one, JomSocial. JomSocial doesn't have as many add-ons or plugins as Community Builder, and it's not free, being $99 for the standard individual version, $150 for the professional version, and $500 for the unlimited developer access version. But this is a great tool and will allow you to create custom, very attractive social networks using Joomla. This may be, in fact, the best tool of the bunch, depending on what your needs are, but notice that it is expensive. Here is an example Joomla site, this time using JomSocial to create the various social components of the website. This is actually the exact same website that I showed you before, this time using JomSocial. I have my slideshow, I have my login, listings, searching. Here are my profiles. Here is a sample profile. Compare this to the sample profile page that I created previously using Community Builder, so you can get a sense of the differences between the two tools and how the JomSocial site looks different. I think it looks a little bit better. So now that you've had an introduction to Joomla and the add-ons and components and plugins that you can use with it to create very attractive and powerful custom social networking websites, let me now move on to the next movie and review how to install Joomla, including how to use scripts to auto-install, as well as a procedure for self-installing Joomla on your own machine or on your own host.